Welcome back to my channel, creative friends. Today I am making some sweets for my sweet using the IOD decor molds. Here we go. I'm using these molded candies. I'm going to take some of those out. I'm experimenting, so I don't usually use everything all at once. Just in case it's a fail and I need to adjust the scientific process. Got these Oreos, which will work perfectly in the Rosettes IOD mold. This one is really cool because it's a little bit deeper. If you had any of those little minis, they could go in the middle of some of these smaller ones. That would be fun as well. After a couple minutes, I'm going to stir these around, make sure they're distributed so they can melt. Ooh, I don't even want to know what's in these to make them bright pink. Obviously, they would be for very special occasions like Valentine's Day or princess birthday parties. I have my mini slow cooker on a warm setting. I heated it up first, dumped in the candy melts. I will stir every couple minutes until they are melted. It will take, I would say up to 10 minutes. I had these colorful dusting sugars, and so I put them into the bottoms of a few of the molds just to test it out. In the end, the contrast between the sugar color and the candy melt color was just not enough, so they really didn't show up in the end. All right, let's fill these molds. Yes, I'm a mess. I'll bet some of you could do this without any mess whatsoever. Okay, I'm just getting it down to the bottom. I know I have these really full, so I think I'm gonna scrape a little bit out. Got a little too much. Whoops, there we go. Okay, we're working quickly. Look at a mess I've already made. That's me. That's okay though. Making sure this is connecting. Scraping away the extra from the edge. There we go. Let's get these into the freezer. We'll plop in the Oreo, and I'm going to freeze these. Plop them into the freezer until they set, and then I will coat the top. I will encase them. Oh yeah, big mess. Now how am I going to turn off my camera? This little piece right here, I have an idea. I'm going to plop in a little pretzel stick, a miniature cinnamon stick. Let's see how that one goes. Got my cinnamon stick. Should go right there, right down in there. Now, let's go ahead and use up the rest of this. Again, lots of messy opportunity here. Now let's get these pretzels, see what we can do. I'm gonna make a little design. I just filled the bow, but I don't want it to go down into the tassels because I think that would be too much. It would probably break, so I'm just stopping it at those bow ties right there. I've allowed the melts to set up in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Now I took them out and I am encasing one of them with some of the leftover melts. I'm just going around the edge and making sure it's all encased with the Oreo inside. The molds that have the delicate extensions, like these bunny ears, you have to be very careful. Sometimes they will break, and I'm going to show you how I mended this bunny. I cast the other one in chocolate to the left, and it did not break. But these ears are rather thin. I'm going to mend it, and it would be perfect for, like, example, plopping on top of a nice carrot cake. These candy melts can also be melted in the microwave, if you prefer that method. To repair the ear, I melted one piece of the melts in the microwave, then used it to patch or repair the ear. To remove your masterpieces from the molds, work slowly and carefully. Bend back the silicone mold around the edges, and your candies should just pop out after about 15 to 20 minutes in the freezer. Make sure you check out my YouTube playlist called IOD Sugar Arts for more videos featuring these molds.